Tuesday, 11th of June 2023. Wasn't feeling well. Had to take a sickie from the community centre cafe. Had a coffee at the cafe near to the business that I did guerrilla cleaning of the shop front of last night. Didn't see any workers checking out the dirty spots I left on the facade. I bet they didn't even notice the cleaner sections at all. Jesus. Went to the grocery store, did 2 big batch cook-ups in the afternoon, a delicious vegetable soup and some pasta sauce. I should keep me fed for a couple days. Grated onion didn't work so well. Back to finely diced onion next time. Snacks, mood 6, energy 6, moods nauseous, fine, grateful, cooking was fun.